Hello all, today in this video I am going to provide a demo video for crop disease detection, and in this data set, what is the specialty means we are working with both the numerical data and also some categorical data. So for that we have moving with regression other than classifiers. So you may know that while working with regression, both the categorical data and numerical data will take into account. So for that, initially we are now loading the libraries which we are needed, and then loading our data set. This data set I downloaded from Kaggle. So you can just notice that what is the data set details which I am having. It is having nearly some details, and we then with the data set we are making some preprocessing functions by including the label encoder, and here you can notice, and by using that we are going to display the heat map of the data set, and then we are going to group the data set by using the features like crop, then production, and also area. So nearly it is having more than 20 54 crops. So, and also you can notice that area also differs. Production may, yeah, it will obviously varies. So then we are classifying our data set as usual, like variables like x and y. In the x variable we are just dropping the yield. So here you can notice we are just dropping the yield variable for the y variable, and the next everything will be chosen for the x variable, and then we are splitting our data set into testing and training by using the train test split function, and the test size we have given as 0.2, that is 20% will be taken for testing and the remaining 80% for training. And now in this particular that is demo video we are working with linear regression, and in the future video we may work with some other regression algorithms. For that we are just including the regression library which we need, and then we are also going to display the mean square error and also the R2 score value. And now we are just calling our linear regression function, and then we are fitting our data set, that is training our data set by using the fit function by, and also the variables like x train and y train, and then we are testing the data set by using the x test function, by using x test variable by using the predict function, and then we are making to display the value of the variables like accuracy, mean square error, and R2 score. For that we have made the functions which is going to display over there, and in this case we are just going we have just displayed the accuracy value, and here you can notice the accuracy of LR model is 83.94, and the with the train is 83.94 and test 85.03. And you may know that with the train which is showing the, with the test model which is showing the better accuracy than train is the better model. So this linear regression is as of now is considered as the best model only, but in the future videos we will make a comparison with some other regression algorithms, and we will just confirm that which is the regression algorithm working best with the particular data set, and we will also display a table that which is showing better values. So thank you. In the next video we will work with the decision tree algorithm. Thank you.